doTERRA Serenity Essential Oil was specifically formulated to help you sleep better at night. doTERRA Serenity Essential Oil is a blend of essential oils specifically formulated to help our bodies relax and to get better sleep, a more restful sleep at night. In this essential oil blend is lavender flower, cedarwood, hoe-wood leaf, ylang-ylang flower, marjoram leaf, Roman chamomile flower, vetiver, vanilla bean absolute, and Hawaiian sandalwood that create this warm, floral, herbal aroma. In addition to cedarwood, hoe-wood, and vetiver essential oils, give doTERRA Serenity a grounding aroma that calms the mind and soothes the senses. The primary benefits of this oil is to promote relaxation and a restful sleep environment, lessens feelings of tension and calm emotions, calms the mind, and soothes the senses. When you accompany this oil with doTERRA Serenity Restful Gel Caps, it provides a natural solution for a restful night's sleep. If you want to learn more ways on my favorite ways to use doTERRA Serenity Essential Oil in my own home, make sure you check out my top uses video.